Want to stand out in 2025's competitive tech job market? These 5 AI projects will make your resume shine, even if you're just starting out. Hi everyone, I'm Saara Anand. I'm working as a software. We will simplify artificial intelligence, machine learning, and coding with practical tips to level up your tech career. Well, let us dive straight into today's topic: top 5 AI/ML projects in 2025. The first one is an AI powered career path recommender. Well, the idea is to build a system that analyzes a person's skills, education, LinkedIn profile, and interests, and then suggests the best career path or learning roadmap like data analyst, ML engineer, or prompt engineer. Well, the tech stack for this project would be Python, scikit-learn, Hugging Face, TF-IDF, Streamlit, and LinkedIn API. Well, so we are going to apply data analysis skills to learn about a person's education, LinkedIn profile, interests. And that is why we are using the LinkedIn API here. And out of that, we are then going to code the entire program in Python. And finally, we are going to display the results in a well-displayed web app, maybe using Streamlit. So, well, this is one such suggestion for a top AI/ML project. Moving to the second one, Smart Interview Prep Assistant or an AI coach. Well, this is going to be a very dynamic kind of chatbot that conducts mock interviews based on job descriptions. Now, this is the need of the hour. It asks dynamic questions, listens via speech recognition, and provides feedback on communication and technical content. Well, so the tech stack for this project would be OpenAI API or Llama 3, depending upon the use case, Whisper API for speech, since it is going to understand the speech, and Flask or Streamlit for the front end. Alright, moving to the third project, Fake News and Deepfake Detector, AI for Trust. Well, here the idea is to create a system that detects AI-generated fake news or deepfake videos using NLP plus computer vision. Now, this project is going to highlight your skills in both natural language processing and computer vision. And we are going to train this entire model to identify linguistic inconsistencies, source unreliability, or any kind of face manipulation. The tech stack that this project would require is Transformers, OpenCV, CNNs, and PyTorch. Moving to the next project, Carbon Footprint Predictor using AI. The idea behind this project is to create a model that would predict and visualize the carbon footprint of user activities, be it in travel, electricity, or shopping, and recommend eco-friendly alternatives. Now, the tech stack that this project would require is Python, regression classification models, APIs for the carbon data, and Streamlit dashboard. So we are going to code the entire program in Python. For the prediction part, since we are going to predict something here, we are going to use machine learning algorithms, namely regression and classification. For the data we are going to work with, we are using API. And Streamlit dashboard is going to present all of our findings in a very enhancing manner. And then moving on to the fifth project, Mental Health Sentiment Analyzer, AI for Good. Now here, the idea is to create an AI model that scans tweets, posts, or journal entries to detect mental health indicators like stress, anxiety, positivity, and to suggest coping resources or helplines. Now, obviously, this project is going to utilize natural language processing. It is going to understand the tone of all of the texts, posts, journal entries, and then it is going to give maybe suggestions regarding the same. So the tech stack here would be NLP with BERT or DistilBERT, sentiment analysis, Flask UI, and maybe Twilio API for the messages. Well, these are top 5 AI/ML projects to make your resume shine in 2025. Whichever project you choose, be sure to be well versed with all of the technology and tools that are being used in the project. And also be sure that it is a very unique idea that solves a problem. That is the main goal of it. Keep going and like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for all of the videos that I would be posting further on all of these hot AI/ML topics, trends, and technologies. Thank you so much.